ready to transform your idea into a stunning, professional website without a single line of code. The very first step to building your WordPress website is securing a home for it online. This means choosing a reliable web hosting provider. Think of it as renting space for your digital house. You'll also need a domain name €. That's your website's unique address. Like Your.com, many hosting providers offer bundle deals that include both. Once your hosting is set up, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers have a one-click installer for WordPress, making this incredibly simple after installation. You'll log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center first. Let's make it look amazing by choosing a theme. WordPress boasts thousands of free and premium themes, each offering a different design and layout. Browse through them and pick one that best suits your website's purpose. Next, we'll enhance your website's functionality with plugins. Plugins are like apps for your website, adding features like contact forms, search engine optimization tools, or e-commerce capabilities. Simply navigate to the plugins section in your dashboard, search for the features you need, and install them. Now let's add some content. You can create static pages for essential information like an About Use page, a contact page, or your services. Go to Pages in your dashboard and click Add New. WordPress uses a block editor, making content creation intuitive. You'll add content using blocks for text, headings, images, videos, and more. Organize your content logically and visually appealingly. Don't forget to hit publish when you're happy. For dynamic content like blog articles or news updates, you'll use posts similar to pages. You'll find the Add New option under the Posts menu. This is perfect for sharing your expertise and keeping your audience engaged. And there you have it. You've just learned the foundational steps to creating your own functional and visually appealing WordPress website. Explore, experiment, and watch your online presence grow.